Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to use OneDrive. This is the cloud storage application where you can create documents, use different applications, and save files and folders. Okay, so what can you find when you log into OneDrive? You might see some folders and some documents or files. If I click on this folder, I double click, it'll open with more folders and some files. You click My Files to go back. Or here is for the computer class, Computer Skills 2. If I double click, it opens the folder, and here are my different documents. The icons show you the type of file it is, file or folder. The yellow shows that this is a folder. This icon shows that it's a Word document. This here shows that it's an Excel spreadsheet. And this icon shows that it's a PowerPoint or slideshow. Folders are really great because it helps you organize all your files so you can find them very easily. How do you make a new folder? Click New, click Folder, and give it a name. I recommend making a folder for this class so that you can put all your files in this folder and find them easily. So I already made a file and folder, but what you'll do is click Create, and it'll come up and it'll come up in your OneDrive. So how do you make documents? You click New. You click here to make a document, here to make an Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation, OneNote notebook, Forms for Excel, and Link. This allows you to save a link to a website so you can find it easily later. You have access to all these applications for free as a Palomar College student, so this is a great opportunity to learn to use them. You can also access or find all the apps if you click on the app launcher. You'll find it here at the 9 dots. There's Outlook. This is actually your Palomar email. Outlook is an email application. OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and more. If you click on all apps, you can find all the free applications you can use as a Palomar College student. It might be different for teachers and students, okay? We're not going to learn to use all these applications. We're only going to use a couple for this class, but I encourage you to explore these applications and play with them and have fun. If I click on Outlook, it will take me to my Palomar email. I can go back to the app launcher and go back to the applications to explore more. You can even try new ones you're not sure how to use and just try it out. For example, Delve. What is Delve? It says, discover documents others are working on. So maybe these are documents that belong to other people, but they want me to see what they're doing. I hope you enjoy trying out OneDrive to create folders and documents and save everything online to make it so easy for you. Enjoy!